Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual way that I do. You have four options in front of you. The rosaries are also kept in front of you. The same video is going to be made in Hindi as well for those who don't want to watch it in English. ये वीडियो हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगी इसके बाद. तो शुरुआत करते हैं. जो लोग नए हैं आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत. A very warm welcome to all the people who are new to my channel. How you select your reading is going to be, I'm going to show you a few crystal choices. Excuse me. And you have to, at the first glance, whatever suits you, whatever attracts you, choose that particular crystal, and that particular deck is going to answer your questions. How it's going to be like, I'm going to answer your question in a yes or a no, and I'll explain you whatever divine cards, angel cards, energy cards, and whatever life change path is coming for you for now. So we'll begin with the choices. First is turquoise, fatigue, pearl, and multi-crystal. So you have your four choices right in front of you, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'll be shuffling on camera, so those of you who want to just forward this bit, please do it. I'm going to be shuffling it right now and starting. The reason I'm shuffling on camera is because people like it that everything is chosen in front of you and not behind cam. So anyhow, I'm not playing any mantra jap or anything because someone had told me last time that the volume becomes very low. So I'm just recording it as it is. That's still visible. You'll have to excuse me. Sorry guys, I forgot to put my phone on the airplane mode and I started recording, so I just left it there. I've started re-recording again, so just stop my shuffling there itself. Anyhow, one of the most important decks, which is Ganesha. Seems like the cats are fighting. You can see her there. These are angel cards. We get a direct message from the angels as well. And I think that's about it. I'll begin now. I hope you have seen the first one. I hope I'll be able to edit the video. If not, I'll do it in part 1 and part 2. So as we begin with the first one, as always, but I'll just show you the choices again. The first one is turquoise, the second is sphatic, third is pearl, and fourth is multi-crystal, or the 7 chakra mala. So the people who have chosen turquoise as their choice, please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. And your answer is a beautiful yes. It's a very beautiful yes. You already knew that it's going to be a yes. You thought now it's a new life cycle, it's going to turn around. People who have asked us about marriage, probably it's time and it's going to happen, and someone very loving is going to come across. So the answer is a direct yes for you. We'll see what all the other cards are saying. What energy you should be in is the yin and yang. That means try to balance everything around you. Don't be over upset, overthinking, or anything which is making you dull. Just try to keep your life completely in balance right now. And seeking and finding is your life change card. Now this card has a lot of white and purple, and you can call it a little bit pink. So try and surround yourself with the balanced energy and know where you have to put your focus. And probably this is also a time where you will like to give benefit of doubt to a lot of people around you rather than judging them or thinking anything different. Seeking and finding can be in terms of love, in terms of peace, in terms of spirituality as a whole. The Ganesha message is beautiful, which says harmony. Again, as the card suggests, and what your energy card also said, try and take things into a beautiful new perspective where you love everything around you. You love yourself. First step is to love yourself. When you love yourself, obviously you're going to love everything around yourself as well. So try and be forgiving. Try and have a different perspective of things right now, and be in harmony with yourself. Let things go. Let the burden go. Just have that peace that everything is the way it was supposed to be. And your angel direct message is the situation will improve. I guess I cannot explain the angel card because the direct messages are very, very on your face sorts. So whatever it is that you're thinking, and if you're not coming in this zone, try and think of this as an answer and work on whatever all the other cards are telling you. This is it for the first group. Second group of people who have chosen sphatic, please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. And your answer is a no. Okay, you were thinking a lot about yourself. Maybe there were fights, arguments. You were trying to make things work, but somehow it did not work. There are more fights than what you'd like the situation to be like, more arguments. But your energy that you have to be in is the journey. Now this card explains that this is how life is. Not every day is going to be, harmonious, loving. Sometimes there is going to be fights, there are going to be arguments. So might as well just go with the flow, thinking that it's okay if there have been fights today, tomorrow it might get well as well. You have to be a little positive. Changing your mind is your life change card, which clearly states, if you see there is red butterfly sitting on the yellow flower. Yellow flower is our sacral chakra, which is the navel, and red denotes our root chakra, the base of our spine. Now the base of our spine talks about little morals in our life and some things that we are stern on, that this is how we want our life. I'm hiding the card. And the yellow talks about our willpower, the will to do it. So you have to change your mind, you have to change your way of thinking. If you have a few rules about some certain things in your life, right now is the time you need to let go of those rules and probably come out of your comfort zone. And nothing beautiful comes out if you stay in your comfort zone. So this is a direct answer that just get out of the box and see how life is. Probably it might just give you a different perspective. Your Ganesha message is beautiful. It's a very direct message. Blessings. Like I said, nothing beautiful comes out if you stay in your comfort zone. Try to get out of it. Look at things with a new perspective, because you're going to be blessed. So don't worry in your head too much. And your angel message is remain positive. Like I said, I cannot explain you further in this card. It's just saying stay in that zone of getting out of your comfort zone and accepting that it won't go wrong. It's going to be right for me. That's it for the second group of people. The third group of people who have chosen Pearl, please put a question in your mind, and your answer is a no. You need to take a break now. You've been approaching things with a lot of love, and you were probably thinking that now it's a wish fulfillment time, or something is going to happen the way you want it. But now I would say just take a break from everything, whatever it is that is in your head at the moment. Just take a break from it. It's time for you to just stop thinking about this right now. Your energy message is that you have to stay in is the fourth chakra. The fourth chakra is a heart chakra. As you can see, there's a lot of green. So the heart chakra says be happy, be content, be in that zone where you have to give time to yourself. You have been thinking about a lot of other stuff. You've been giving love. Now it's time for self-love. Try and concentrate on yourself. If you have not been able to spend time for yourself, give yourself some space or some me time. Now is the time you have to be in that energy. Your life change card is keep the faith. There's a lot of purple and orange and yellow. Now all of this talks about spirituality. Like I said, love. If you want to give that space and time, give that to your spiritual side of you, which is going to heal you. Maybe right now you need some sort of healing. So that the means could be anything: yoga, exercise, workout, jogging, walk. As simple as meditating is the basic, but I don't tell everybody, not everybody can meditate. So I give all the other ways that you can, because meditation is taking care of your body, mind and soul, and everything in balance. So the mode of it can be anything. It could be anything. Even your eating right can be right now, giving you, it's going to help you keep the faith right now in things. Your Ganesha message is childlike expression. Now, like I said, it's the time for self-love, self-care. Right now, don't worry about anything that is happening. How is a child like? The child wants to be happy all the time. He wants to play with things that he have. You can try and do some hobby work right now. And not literally worry about the world, or don't give a damn about what's happening around you, is what your energy should be like, is the Ganesha message. And your direct angel answer is a year from now. I know a year is a very long time, but this, past 2 years, everything is moving like with a click of a hand. So this time will also go by very quick. Time and tide waits for none. So if it's saying a year from now, probably you're going to be a better person, a more matured version of yourself, or probably a person who's just seen it all and now accepting it nice. Take this in your situation, howsoever it's fitting you. That's it for the third group. The last group of people who have chosen 7 chakra mala, please put across a question in your mind, to which the answer is, the answer is a no, I'm sorry. You must be feeling a lot burdened. You wanted to do what you wanted to do. Nobody could have stopped you here, but now you suddenly feel that you have to stop, sit and think when it's going to happen. But there are going to be a certain amount of delays in your project, and you've been giving a lot of love to this as well, but the answer is a no, I'm sorry. Let's see what your other cards are saying. Your energy that you have to be in is the goddess of the moon. Now this moon talks about the unknown, fearing the unknown, and also moon can also say a lot about our heart, our man, chit, which says intuition. So you already know what you have to do to control your emotions, to see where your life is going. So give yourself some credit about your intuition as well right now. Your life changes decisions. Wherever you are in your life right now, you, like the moon card had very clearly said, you have the knowledge, you know where you have to take the steps. The right steps are right in your head. Pay a little focus, and right now is the decision time. You cannot just sway things anymore. Either you have to be this way or that way. Your Ganesha message is achievement. Beautiful card. If you keep staying in the middle right now, you will lead yourself to nowhere and nothing. So the Ganesha card is saying that whether you take this path or that path, Just try and decide in your brain, because your intuition is going to guide you right at this point. So might as well just be in one place, because you're going to achieve it all by taking a decision and not by stalling it. And your angel direct message is, there is something better. Now, if this relates to your situation, this is a clear answer that if you are unable to take a decision and you're confused about it, probably this is an answer for you, that don't stick on it if it's making you uncomfortable. There is something better for you instead of this. That's it for today's reading. I hope you all liked it. It was a little quick and sharp. Next one is going to be a little more detailed, as I could not finish it in one go. So anyway, I hope you all liked it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Please do subscribe and share my videos, and do follow me on Instagram at triambaka.in, as I am posting every day and late night tarot divine guidance as well. Till next time, take care everybody. Jai Bhole.